Listen, wait. What if I told you there are African countries with zero rivers? Not one, not even a small one. Yet, millions of people survive every single day. Today, we explore African countries where water is one of the rarest things on earth. Rivers are life. They feed cities, power industries, and support farming. But in some African countries, nature gave them none. This is how they survive, how they adapt, and how they turn the impossible into daily routine. Number one is Libya, one of the driest places on earth. Almost 90% of the country is pure desert. No rivers, no streams, nothing permanent. So how does a whole country survive without rivers? Libya built one of the largest water projects in human history. A giant underground water pipeline stretching over 2,800 square kilometers. This project literally pumps ancient water from under the deep Sahara and transports it to the cities. Without it, life in Libya would collapse instantly. Next is Western Sahara, a place where rainfall can stay at zero for months. No permanent rivers at all. The land is so dry that many areas have never seen flowing waters in decades. People here survive using wells, underground water pockets, and incredible adaptation. Nomadic communities move with seasons, following the little moisture they can find. Third, Djibouti. Tiny country, big problem, zero permanent rivers. Everything is volcanic rock, dry land, and intense heat. But Djibouti has something others don't. The sea, and they use it. They depend heavily on desalination, turning salty ocean water into drinking water. It's expensive, but it keeps the country alive. Now, Mauritania. This country is almost swallowed by the Sahara. Inside Mauritania, there are zero rivers, but on the border lies the Senegal River, a lifeline shared with Senegal and Mali. Mauritania still relies heavily on wells, underground water, and the river at its border for farming and survival. Here is something surprising. Tunisia almost qualifies. It has rivers, but most are seasonal. They disappear completely during the summer. Same for countries like Algeria and Egypt. Their few rivers depend on rain that rarely comes. From giant pipelines to seawater conversion to ancient underground wells. These countries prove that survival is possible even in the harshest parts of Africa. No rivers, yet life continues. Africa is full of stories like this. If you want more mind-blowing facts about the continent, follow this page, because Africa is bigger, deeper, and more surprising than people think.